Hi, I'm josephrlewis, and I write adventures. And I've written an adventure. This is not one of our regular videos. This is just a mini video to announce the forthcoming release of my new adventure, Lovely Jade Necropolis. This new adventure is for Shadowdark, and for Old School Essentials, and for Cairn, and it is nearly complete. We have a beautiful cover by Goran Golovic. We have maps by me. We have other sundry artwork by me. But mostly we have about 80 pages worth of content of exciting adventures delving into the Jade Necropolis, full of fey remains and ruins and provocateurs, but mostly full of necromancers and their undead servants. Lots of politics, lots of characters, lots of lore, lots of stuff to explore, lots of random crazy magic items and effects and weirdness going on. And then there's a whole bunch of tunnels underneath with even more stuff, including some little dragons. So I put in everything that I thought could reasonably go in. It's all written, it's all edited, it's all play tested, it's in layout. Most of the art is finished. We're getting very close to release time, but I wanted to let you know that it's coming, so you can keep an eye out for it for when the release comes later this fall. I've created a little website where you can pop in your email address to get an email alert, just one email, I promise, when the actual adventure comes out. And I will send you all the links to where you can find it, which will probably be on DriveThruRPG and itch.io and Amazon and maybe a couple other places as well. So that's it. That's the whole video. Just wanted to let you know that Lovely Jade Necropolis is coming soon. And if you're interested, you can drop in your email in that link, and I'll let you know when it comes out. Thanks.